Today, we will be reviewing how a voter in Hamilton County uses the Access Writer. The Access Writer is a ballot marking device for voters with disabilities that allows them to vote independently. The voter will check in with the poll worker at the voter assistance table. They will confirm his or her address, and then finally, they will sign the poll book. The poll worker will lead the voter to the Access Writer, making sure that it is close to the voter assistance table. The poll worker will unwind the headphones and hand them to the voter for their use, and then activate the voter's ballot by pulling up and selecting the correct precinct. At this point, the voter is able to adjust the Access Writer to his or her preferences, from font size to the audio volume coming through the headphones. It is the voter's choice whether to use the headphones and controller or the touchscreen. Featuring Braille labels, the controller has a wheel to cycle through selections and buttons to make a selection and to request a poll worker's assistance. The headphones will only work when the controller is being used. If this is the case, the voter has the choice to turn the screen off. Alternatively, the voter can use the touchscreen to mark their choices. The voter begins moving through the ballot, voting on those contests he or she wishes to make a selection in. Once complete, the voter reviews their ballot and prints their ballot to the connected printer. It may take a few moments for the printer to warm up. The voter must be certain to take the ballot with them. They cannot leave it on the printer. The voter takes their voted ballot to any V-scan at the location and scans the ballot into the V-scan. Once the voter hears the ding or sees the flag, their ballot has been counted. Don't forget to grab a sticker on your way out.